Walking with Ace and Buds of Sunrise Tour, and we are here in Seven Sisters
By the cliff.
by the cliff edge. So you can see behind us there, that's the cliff. And I will walk over
You do want to go. We're gonna go. Shall we go?
there. No.
Come on, team.
Next time. So